get the official time from our ring announcer, Jimmy Lennon Jr.
Ladies and gentlemen, of the time, 37 seconds in round number 11. Our referee in charge, Mitch Halpern, stops the contest by way of technical knockout in a stunning upset. The new WBA heavyweight champion of the world,
Eisenhower.